guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Rae. For today's video, we are going to do a summer glow makeup tutorial. In this video also, I'm gonna try to speak in Tagalog. Disclaimer, I'm super awkward when I try to speak in Tagalog because I'm really more of an English person even if I speak weird, because I really do have a hard time explaining. That's why when I talk, I always seem like I'm stuttering or hesitating and stuff because I always forget words and all that. Yeah, it's weird. Okay, so yeah, I'm sorry if it's gonna sound so weird. If you guys want to know what my summer glow makeup is, then just keep on watching. So the goal of this makeup is you have to look glowy and not matte. So I'm gonna not use foundation to this one, but the first thing we're gonna do to make it as glowy as possible is I'm gonna use this Body Shop Vitamin E Mist, facial mist, because this one moisturizes your skin. So I'm just gonna spray it before I put anything, and then I'll spray it again later after I'm finished with all the makeup. Okay, now we're gonna let that dry. I love this one so much, it smells so good. Now that nag-dry up na yung facial mist, the next thing I wanna do is the highlighter first, because I actually just recently watched Raisa Contawi's Summer Glow makeup tutorial because I need inspiration. And what she did first was she put highlighter before she started with the base para it adds more glow. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna spray my flat brush, super gulo na flat brush, with the facial mist because I don't have anything else. So I'm just gonna spray that. Para the highlighter will be more dewy in a way. I don't know how this will go. I don't know if you can see it, but oh my gosh, it made it more shiny. There, it's actually like peachy tone. We're gonna add the base on top of this. Para in this side, it will just add a more glowy and dewy effect. And then later, we're gonna add the same highlighter, or I'm actually gonna use another kind of highlighter. So for this look, since it's a summer glowy makeup, we'll need sunscreen. Like it's a must to have sunscreen in your routine. So the sunscreen that I have is the Bello Tinted sunscreen. It already has coverage. So for me, this is the only thing I'm gonna use. Although it's summer and I'm saying it's a must to have the sunscreen in the routine, it's really a must to have it in your daily routine, not just because it's summer. As long as the sun exists, then you'll need sunscreen. Okay, so now we're gonna be blending that with just my fingers kasi madali lang to i-blend and I don't really have a foundation brush to use. So for this look, we wanna look bronzy also since, you know, summer, parang get the tan and all that. The next thing I'm gonna do is concealer, just to cover my under eyes more and my blemishes, because I'm actually breaking out at the moment. Sorry in advance again if the lighting is so bad. So I'm just blending it with my fingers para it's gonna sink better. The next thing I'm planning to do is my brows. And I'm just doing my normal brows, so I'm gonna do this off camera para it saves time. I don't want my videos to get so long again. I'll just do it real quick and then I'll get back. And I am back. I'm actually getting that glowy, dewy effect because I'm sweating. It's so freaking hot. So the next thing we're gonna be doing is the bronzer. Actually, no, let's set our under eyes just a bit because we don't want it to be dried up. And I'm using pala this banana powder from Australia's. I have a video of that. The next thing I'm gonna be doing is the bronzer. I decided to use this one. If you use the Bello tinted sunscreen, sa start, magmumukhang kang pale. Pero, after a while, nagsiset kasi siya. Since it's a tone-adapting technology, it's not gonna look as pale. Like, it's gonna adapt to your skin tone, which is a good thing. And you can always, like, change it up a bit. And what I do is lang concealer and I just bronze my face para it will bring back the color. So here, we're gonna try to just make it light lang, like peachy, orangey tone for the eyes. We're gonna use this big eyes in the I Spy Australis palette. And I'm just gonna put it all over. I know it's so obvious I'm trying so hard to speak Tagalog. Like I try to insert Tagalog words in between, but I just fail so much. So you see guys, I'm really not good with speaking Tagalog. I guess I can speak Tagalog with my friends if it's naturally, but here kasi it's like I'm trying so hard. Whenever I know na it's like I'm trying to do something, I have a harder time doing it. Like, I don't know, that's how I think. I get so pressured. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna just try to color the crease a little bit darker lang. So I'm gonna use this Lookout. It's kind of like a maroon or red tone. And I'm just gonna blend it over sa crease. Now that we have that, I'm just gonna outline my lower line with the darker tone. Okay, so my eyes are done. I'm gonna do my blush and I'm gonna use the Lip and Cheek Stain tint from from Skin Genie. And I love this one because it really, you look so flushed. Like, it looks so natural on your skin. And since summer, diba, it's so hot. So you get rosy cheeks usually from the heat and all that. So we're gonna use this one because it looks more natural. I'm just gonna put some on my nose bridge because I love blushing that one. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to use this is like also inspired of Raisa Kantawi's video. So I wanna try doing freckles because I've never actually tried it. I just wanna try it because it looks nice. So I hope it looks good on me, and I don't know how to put it on, pero we'll try it out right in this video. So I'm gonna use the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit, and I'm just gonna dot them on my cheeks. Oh my gosh! I don't know if it looks good or what, because this is the first time I'm doing this. It doesn't look as nice on me. Okay, here. The next thing we're gonna do is finally the highlighter. I actually have this Metallics eyeshadow from Australis, and I tried it out earlier, just I swatched it. Guys, it's so creamy. Okay, so it looks like this. I'll do a swatch for you guys. So I'll just get like that. It's so creamy, see? Damn, look at that. It's an eyeshadow, but I'm gonna use this one as a highlighter. It's so sheen, like shiny, so pretty. You can actually use this for like a festival look. I'll just dab some here. What we're gonna do is, I'm gonna put the highlighter I used earlier on top of it, because that one is a more simple highlighter. Let's not forget the nose highlight. The last thing I'm gonna do is my lipstick. For a daily summer thing, you'd want like a lip tint as your lip product, because it's super light. So I'm gonna use Red Christmas again on my lips. So I have it on my cheeks, now I'm gonna use it on my lips. And we're just gonna go ahead and Put that on my lip. So there you go. Here we have the summer glowy makeup look. I basically got the help of Miss Reza Kantawi because I watched her video before doing this, and I'm so thankful I watched it, so I got to learn from her video and I got to use it here. Last finishing touch, which I forgot also, is the facial mist, so let's just spray that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!